In this video, we are going to be analysing Party City, ticker PRTY. So to get straight into it, firstly, what are going to be key supports if we continue to fade down? And we can see our closest support is at 87 cents, with the one after that being at 30 cents. So obviously these would be below the 52-week low. So getting to these levels may be quite difficult, but seeing a stock go from $10 down to $1 does just show this company is most likely very fundamentally weak. And so seeing it continue down wouldn't be unlikely, especially if the Fed keeps increasing interest rates and markets just stay weak, which those two will usually just go hand in hand. So do be cautious. We could keep continuing down, and the 87 and the 30 cents will be those key support levels we'll be paying attention to. We can pay attention to the 104 because not only is that 52-week low, obviously then you've got that $1 psychological level, so it could definitely be a key level of support. Now on the other hand, if you're paying attention to the resistances, what are we paying attention to? And we'll be looking at $2.10. Going past there would be $2.40, $3.30, and breaking through here would be $4.50, $5.70, and then our final two levels at $6.60 and $8.75. So now again, when you see all these levels, it doesn't mean the stock's going to go to 30 cents. It also doesn't mean it's going to go to 8.75. The way to use these levels is just paying attention to the closest ones. So if you're paying attention to the downside, for example, just pay attention to the $1. If we break this, come back to retest it, and selling pressure still kicks in, then you use the next level. That's where you expect the move to go to. So in this case, 86 cents. Now, again, if we broke through here, we came back to retest it and selling pressure kicked in, this would be a good indication that we'll most likely continue down to at least 32 cents unless some fundamental news changes between the time it retests 87 and is on its way down to 32. Now, on the other hand, if you're only paying attention to the upside, you're more bullish on the stock, what you want to see is really either a fade down to this $1.05, you want to see it kind of retest it and it hold, then you could see it push back to $2, or what you really want to see is a break above 208, come back to retest it as a support, and if it holds, you see a bit of buying pressure come in, then 230 would be that next target. And again, the same thing, if we break it, come back to test it as a support, then unless fundamentals change, then you would just expect to move to that next level, which would be 330. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.